Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about one of the key tools that we can use for generating voiceover or narration for our AI videos, which is called 11 Labs. So, what exactly is 11 Labs? 11 Labs is an AI powered voice generation tool that creates natural human like speech. It is widely used in content creation, especially for AI videos, because it makes narration sound professional and realistic. So, let's say, for example, if you are not so comfortable or interested to give your own voice for AI videos, then you can use this 11 Labs tools or website for generating voice for your script or story. So, what are some benefits of using 11 Labs? Human like voice quality. So, with the help of 11 Labs website or tool, we can generate natural expressive voices that avoid the robotic sound. The second benefit is multiple voices and languages, wide selection of accents and languages for global reach. Let's say, for example, if you want a British accent, it will generate voiceover or narration in British accent. If you want that in US accent, your it will generate the voice or narration in US accent. If you want in some other language like German or Italian, it can also do that. Custom voice cloning. Build your own unique voice for branding or characters. So let's say, for example, if you want to use your own voice, if you want to use your voice, then what you can do is you can clone your voice. You can clone your voice. Let's say if you can record your voice in 11 Labs tool, then it will take your voice. It is going to take your voice and it is going to create a clone of your voice, and you can use that clone of the voice to narrate AI videos or give voiceover. The next one is emotion and style control. Adjust tone, pauses, and emotion for better storytelling. So this AI voiceover, it is going to it is we can adjust tone. We can also give pauses. We can also give pauses just like humans, and also with the help of this AI tool, we can also narrate. We can also give some kind of emotions for better storytelling. So this AI tool is going to give pauses. It is going to generate emotions for better storytelling. The last one is easy integration, quick to generate narration and sync with visuals, saving time. So with the help of this tool, we can easily generate a lot of voiceovers, and you can easily sync with video, and it really helps to save a lot of time. So the result with 11 Labs, your AI videos become more professional, engaging, and audience ready. So it is going to help a lot for making professional AI videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show how to use this tool for narrating your script or your concept in AI videos. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.